It's ketchup time! Hi guys! Today we will make our own toys. We will call it Aquarium Claykins! I'm so excited! But before we continue, please click the subscribe button for updates on more videos like this one. Let's start making our own toys. We will need transparent food container and store-bought airdry clays. You can also make your own. Watch our video on DIY airdry clay for instructions. Let's start molding. Today our inspiration are colorful fishes. How exciting is this? Making our own toys. This is Oscar and Angie from Shark Tale. Go, 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 go. The broom to clean the pooch. These airdry clays are very cheap. It comes in 24 colors. This is seal. Not a seal, but a starfish. Our imagination is the limit. This is a pearl inside a clam. Mold, mold, mold. And here it is. Our very own aquarium Claykins. It's as small as a shopkin and spongy like a squishy. Please like, share, and subscribe.